The traditional heads of Garo community known as NOKMAS belonging to North and East Garo Hills today strongly condemned the state government and the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council led NPP Executive Committee for not consulting the NOKMAS while finalizing the 6th Scheduled Amendment Bill. The meeting of the NOKMAS, which was held at NOKMA Council Hall in William Nagar, strongly criticized the state government for not giving them the copy of the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule. The NOKMAS also said that they will abide by the certain law of Indian Parliament that village council is another aspect of Panchayati Raj, which is mentioned clearly in Article 243 of the Indian Constitution, and it is also crystal clear in Article 243 which says Panchayati Raj or village council cannot be applied in scheduled areas.